Are you tired of struggling with stripped or rusted screws that won't budge? Whether you're in the automotive industry, aviation, building maintenance, maritime, or military, VAMPLIERS Technology provides the ultimate solution for all your gripping needs. VAMPLIERS Tools is proud to offer the VT-001-7 7-inch boss screw extraction and wire cutting pliers. This unique design generates a teeth-like gripping power that ensures a secure hold with no slippage, regardless of whether you're using the top or side jaw. Our pliers are coiled spring-loaded, making them easy to handle. Available on Amazon and eBay. Check our website at VAMPLIERTools.com.